Hello viewers, this is our second session on developments related to India. After India Reach, we are covering in this session BIS mandatory license requirement for certain chemicals. BIS stands for Bureau of Indian Standards and is the national standard body of India established under the BIS Act 2016, and this comes under Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Government of India. The existing regulation provides a third-party guarantee of quality, safety and reliability of products to the customers located in India. The BIS is the certifying and enforcing authority which is located at New Delhi. They have several branch offices also in India. The BIS certification is voluntary in nature. However, the Government of India has made BIS certificate or BIS license mandatory for certain products, taking into the consideration of public health. As per Government of India, under quality control orders, goods or articles specified shall conform to the corresponding Indian standard and shall bear the standard mark, ISI mark, under a license from the Bureau as per Scheme 1 of Schedule 2 of BIS Conformity Assessment Regulations 2018. Currently, India has regulated 27 chemicals and petrochemicals under this mandatory certification Scheme 1, and more chemicals and petrochemicals are in pipeline and will be added to this list on annual basis, as some of them are already notified at WTO. Also, both domestic and foreign manufacturers needs to comply with the license requirement. Foreign manufacturers with no presence in India can appoint an authorized Indian representative known as AIR to handle the entire application under Foreign Manufacturers Certification Scheme known as FMCS, and under FMCS the BIS license is granted to a foreign manufacturer for the use of standard mark on a product that conforms to an Indian standard. Also, the AIR shall be an Indian resident and shall declare consent to be responsible for compliance to the provisions of the BIS Act, rules, regulations, and terms and conditions laid down in BIS license agreement and its undertaking. Foreign manufacturers obtaining license is a three-step process. In the first step, you are submitting an application using an AIR at BIS headquarters located at New Delhi. The application essentially covers information related to your manufacturing process, your machinery list and test equipments, quality control systems, standards or process in place, along with your personnel, test reports complying with Indian standards. There is a checklist which you can also use while submitting your application. Step 2 covers BIS evaluating the application and demanding more information to meet the compliance requirement, and only upon its completion, BIS inspector shall visit applicant foreign sites for an inspection and sampling to be tested at an accredited third-party lab located in India. Under Step 3 process, BIS proceeds for grant of license after receipt of satisfactory inspection report and independent test reports conforming to an applicable Indian standards, and after which a licensee can successfully place the chemical on Indian market. The license require maintenance and must be renewed before the expiry date. Information such as your production and dispatch details of standard marked goods sold to India must be recorded and to be shared with BIS on monthly or quarterly basis. Also, applicant must adhere to the conditions of license during course of its use. Under FMCS, it may take up to 6 months to obtain the license. This could be further delayed due to current pandemic and travel restrictions posed by the authority. The major cost elements of the licenses are authority fee, license fee, travel expenses of the inspector, performance bank guarantee, renewal charges, and AIR charges. Please find more updates on India BIS license by subscribing to our YouTube channel, and also visit our website as we have more information there. Thank you.